Here's a clear, detailed, and easy-to-understand summary of Chapter 9 of Atomic Habits by James Clear. Blue Book Chapter 9, The Role of Family and Friends in Shaping Your Habits. Key core idea. Backhand index pointing right, we don't choose our habits alone. Our environment and the people around us strongly influence them. This chapter explains. We tend to copy the habits of those around us. Brain 1, human nature, we want to fit in. Humans naturally desire belonging, acceptance, approval. Backhand index pointing right, so we adjust our behavior to match the group. Pushpin, this is why. You behave differently with friends, family, or at work. Busts in silhouette 2, the 3 types of social influence. James Clear explains that we imitate habits of 1. The close, family and friends. Backhand index pointing right, people closest to you have the strongest influence. Pushpin example. If your friends exercise, right arrow, you feel motivated. If they waste time, right arrow, you may also do the same. 2. The many, society and culture. Backhand index pointing right, we follow what the majority does. Pushpin example. If everyone checks phone frequently, right arrow, it becomes normal. If everyone eats junk, right arrow, it feels okay. 3. The powerful, people you admire. Backhand index pointing right, we copy successful or respected people. Pushpin example. Following habits of successful people. Trying to act like role models. Fire 3. Why social influence is powerful. Backhand index pointing right, because habits are not just personal, they are social behaviors. We follow habits that are normal in our group, help us fit in, give us approval. Direct hit 4. Use this to your advantage. Backhand index pointing right, instead of fighting environment. Backhand index pointing right, choose the right environment. Light bulb 5. Join a culture where your desired habit is normal. Backhand index pointing right. This is one of the most powerful strategies. Pushpin example. Want to be fit? Right arrow, join fitness group. Want to improve English? Right arrow, talk to English speakers. Backhand index pointing right, when a habit becomes normal. You follow it naturally. Jigsaw 6. Identity plus social group. Backhand index pointing right, your identity is influenced by your group. Pushpin example. If your group says, we are hardworking, right arrow, you act that way. If your group says, we are lazy, right arrow, you behave accordingly. Warning 7. Bad influence works the same way. Backhand index pointing right, if people around you waste time, avoid responsibility. Pushpin, then you may also develop those habits. Counterclockwise arrows button 8. Change group equals change habits. Backhand index pointing right, if you want to change your life. Sometimes you need to change your circle. Pushpin, even small changes help. Follow positive people. Reduce time with negative influence. Red 9. Practical use for you. Man-red woman relationship. Spend time with positive couples. Learn good relationship habits. Books English learning. Talk with people who speak English. Watch English content regularly. Fitness. Join gym or fitness group. Be around active people. Rocket 10. Make good habits attractive socially. Backhand index pointing right, habits become stronger when they give you respect. They help you belong. Pushpin example. Being fit, right arrow, admired. Speaking good English, right arrow, respected. Checkered flag, final key lessons. White heavy check mark, we copy habits of people around us. White heavy check mark, choose your environment wisely. White heavy check mark, join groups with good habits. White heavy check mark, avoid negative influence. White heavy check mark, make habits socially rewarding.